Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into episode 205. What is a subprime mortgage? Especially in 2025, with the housing market evolving rapidly, understanding this concept could save you from potential pitfalls or open doors to homeownership. Let's break it down step by step. First off, a subprime mortgage is a type of home loan given to borrowers who don't have the best credit scores. Unlike prime mortgages, which are offered to people with strong credit and low risk, subprime loans target those with histories of missed payments, high debt, or other financial red flags. Think of it as a second chance at owning a home, but with strings attached. Why do these exist? Well, lenders offer subprime mortgages to make home buying accessible to more people. By 2025, with rising interest rates and stricter regulations, these loans might become even more common as a way to bridge the gap for first-time buyers or those recovering from economic setbacks. However, they're not without risks. Subprime mortgages often come with higher interest rates, sometimes several points above prime rates, which means you'll pay more over the life of the loan. Remember the 2008 financial crisis? That's a stark reminder of what can go wrong. Back then, widespread subprime lending led to a housing bubble burst, causing foreclosures and a global recession. Fast forward to 2025, experts predict better oversight, but borrowers still need to be cautious. The benefits include building equity and improving credit over time, but the downsides, like adjustable rates that can skyrocket, make it a risky bet. So, if you're considering a subprime mortgage, always consult a financial advisor. Do your homework on lenders and read the fine print. In summary, subprime mortgages can be a tool for opportunity, but they demand responsibility. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial tips. What's your take on subprime loans? Drop a comment below. Let's discuss.